Hello everybody, hopefully you're having a good day. As the title says, how do you fix a raker on a chain that you broke? Actually, I could have worded that better. How do you fix a broken link on a chain or driver? Basically, that issue right there. See how that one is? Has that little raker and then the tooth. This one, it doesn't have that anymore. It just has the tooth. Now why this happened was because I was sharpening this and the vise has, I don't know if my camera will be able to see it. It will. This little ridge right here. The raker got caught in there and I tightened down the bar and I didn't see it. I heard a crunch. I went all the way around the chain somehow. And then I realized that the crunch was one of the rakers breaking off right here. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see exactly what happens if I am to just cut off the tooth and basically just go out and start cutting with it. So you guys are going to watch me cut off this tooth right here and then run the saw because got pretty much nothing else to lose on this little project. Proper way to fix this would actually be to get a chain repair kit and take out the link and then put a new tooth in, and that's probably what I will do. But at this time I would really like to get this saw going, and if this does fix it without a bunch of, bumping and chattering and danger, then I want to do it. So I'm gonna just go right to it and see what happens, and you're gonna be coming along with me to see it through. There it is. It's hot. I should not have picked that up. That hurt. There she is. She's cut right off. Flat. So there she is. Now, I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to find out. See you over there next to my log for a cut. Alright, here we are. Before I moved the saw up here, I didn't want to run or idle, so I took the points out of it, I cleaned it, and now it seems to start up good. It hasn't been started up in a few days. And I'm going to see how it does. I don't know if it's tuned right, but still got that one tooth I cut off. I just barely did that a couple of hours ago. So let's just find out what happens. Put up my turn protection on. Cold start. I got my chainsaw pants on. Mama Tez. Well, I say that did pretty well. Other than it sticking a couple of times. I'm kind of stopping the saw. I'd say that's still a very usable saw with our tooth. Even with one chain link off of it. Wasn't that vibraty. It wasn't very chattery. It's about normal. Felt normal for that saw. So, thinking possibly in bare wood, it could be a problem. And it might actually stop it from running. But I'm pretty sure that it's fine. So, I will most likely just take that and cut down some firewood with it and just give it a really good test. And then basically do an update on it. Because I think that's running very, very good. Extremely good. Now, she might need a little bit of adjustment on the carb. Probably not much. That did sound really good. So guys, I'm surprised by that. Alright. Treat people how you want to be treated. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. So, I just wanted to kind of explain why I put the flowers in the video at the end here. That was because of where my mind was at on Sunday. It wasn't on Sunday, it was on Saturday. I misspoke when I shot the video. I have some friends that I've been talking to and helping out. Proud of them. I'm proud of myself. Because I used to be in a very dark place in my mind. I don't know exactly how to say it. Sorry for the silence. Hang on. At one point, I was very depressed when we moved from Washington to where we are now. And I had some stuff going on with me that I didn't think I could handle. But obviously I did. And I pushed through it. But it was difficult for me. This is something I usually don't talk about, ever. And not a lot of people know this about me. But 5 years ago, I was actually thinking about taking myself out. Yeah. And I've come very far from that. I don't think about it really anymore. And I like helping people. Because I don't like people, I don't like seeing people in that state of mind that I was in. So, the point of putting up flowers is to tell those kinds of people, if you watch the video, there's beauty in this world. Even though that you can't see it, it's out there. And you just gotta look for it. You gotta find some kind of motivation to push forward. You gotta find some kind of hobby, some kind of something, and just push forward. Because even though that you'd think that your life is hell right now, if you keep doing good things for people, like opening up the door for someone at the grocery store, or paying for someone's lunch behind you at the drive-thru, do something nice for someone. It'll make you feel good about yourself. And if you believe in karma, doing good stuff for people will bring good karma and good energy back to you. So, the flowers basically is saying that there's beauty in the world. Flowers have a purpose. You do too. And it's worth fighting for. You are loved, you're cared for, and there's only one of you. And I had to realize that for myself. And the one person that helped me out a ton was Buck and Billy Ray Smith. I watched his videos, and his videos helped me out a lot. That guy helped me get out of that state of mind. But I felt like it was necessary for me to talk about this, so I wanted to put this in the video. But I'm very proud of my friends, because I've been working with them, and they're actually getting out of the state of mind too. And I'm proud of myself for helping them out. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Keep fighting forward. And that's about all I can say right now. I love you all. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.